How to cancel transaction on Steam. First, go to Steam website and log into your account with email and password. Start by clicking on Steam at the top, then choose to open the settings. Go to the account settings, then click Account Details. You can also get here by clicking on your Steam profile in the top corner and selecting Account Details. Click on the View Purchase History text. It should be next to your wallet balance. Select the game that you want to cancel transaction. Select the I would like a refund option. Click on I'd like to request a refund. Here it will tell you what game you're trying to cancel the transaction and how much the refund will be. Expand the reason box and give your reason for canceled transaction of the game. The best reason is usually the It's Not Fun option, but you can select the option that applies to your circumstance. Add more info in the notes box. Click the Submit Request button at the bottom. That's it. Thanks for watching.